In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the responses that you get from NotebookLM, whether you want it to be long or you want it to be short, or you want it to respond as an engineer, or you want it to respond as a PhD student. All of these have effects as regards the quality of the technical content it generates for you. So let's say I'm on my NotebookLM right now and I'm going to check any of the notebooks that I have. Let's say this one, AI in higher education. And once I'm here, I want to now configure how the notebook is going to be responding to my charts as a whole. Okay, I can come up to the top right over here. You can see configure notebook and just click. Now you have this information, configure your charts. Notebooks can be customized to help you achieve different goals, do research, help you learn, or show various perspectives, or converse in a particular style and tone. Okay, so you can specify the style, define your conversational goal or style or role, okay, that you want the AI to play. If it default, because most of us have been using it at default stage. So if you want to do learning guide, you can select. By learning guide, it means it is best for educational content and helping you to grasp new concepts and skills efficiently. Or if you want to do custom, here you can define how you want the AI to behave on this particular chart. It can behave in a style like customized style, like respond as a PhD level, student level, or suggest a different role, pretend to be a role-playing game host, for example. You can say pretend to be playing as an engineer or as a lawyer or as a chemist or as a pharmacist throughout this conversation. Okay, so then you can specify the response length as well. By default, we used to have the default length. If you want longer responses, you can have longer responses, or if you want shorter responses from the chart, you will be able to have shorter responses. But by default, we used to keep it in here. But you can define and customize how you want the AI to respond to your chart directly according to how you select. You choose the configure features from here. Okay, once you're done, you can always save. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.